Welcome guys. So let's look at VLOOKUP part 2. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the approximate match. Right. Then I'm going to show you how you can use formula bar whenever you are typing any formula. It's a very good way for you to understand what you're trying to do. Alright, so let's delete this. So what I'm going to do here, let's say I'm working on a model and this is a price escalation model. So I have this date on a yearly basis and this is the interest rate. So I need to get interest rate for each of this. So if you're in 2018, I want to get this interest rate. If you're in 2019, I want to get this as well. So this is 6 months period. This is a 6 month period escalation. So then whatever I get here, I'm going to escalate this price by this interest rate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use here I'm going to use VLOOKUP. And how can you use VLOOKUP? So equals VLOOKUP. Okay, so when you are here, this is how you use the formula bar. Press Ctrl 1. Now press Ctrl A. So immediately you press Ctrl A, the formula box will come out, and this will guide you through what you are trying to do. So by the time you say this is lookup, I'm trying to find something. So this is going to tell you what you're going to look for is a value to be found in the first column of a table and can be a value reference or a text string. Alright, so this will guide you through what you need to do. Just read through, looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table. So this describe what this is all about. Then you can click on this, then look for what. So I'm looking for this value, right? Okay, so then you don't need to put some comma, just put there, then select the table array. So I'm looking for this here, right? Then I'm going to absolute reference on this, use absolute reference on this. Then okay, then which color do you want me to return? I want you to return this column, right? So return this column, and then range, I want this to be approximate match, so this is going to be 1, right? So this is logical that return this. So I'm not going to be use 0. If you use 0, it's going to be exact match. If you use 1, it's going to be approximate match. So click OK. Then this is showing not found, right? So let me check, let me audit this. I want to see what's going on. So okay, so let's do VLOOKUP like this. Then look for this value, here. So like I said, let's try the first one. Okay, I want it to return this, right? Then I want it to be approximate match, true, right? Then done. So why is showing ref? So we need to audit this. Something is definitely not right. So what would this be? So what would this be showing? Right, so that's probably because this needs to be a text. Let's change this to a text first. Oh, sorry, this. So this should be okay. So let's start again. Let's try this. So VLOOKUP, I want to look for this value, right? I want you to look for this value here. Okay, so something is wrong. So you're looking for this value. Where are you looking for this value? Here, this is a table array. Then fix this. Then which column do you want to return? I want to return the second column. Then I want this to be approximate match. exact. Say by the time we put say, so when you get here, this is showing me that this is the array I'm looking at, and then this is what I'm looking for, right? By the time you get to this, it's going to be showing me that this is equal to 2 column. Now this is logical. By the time I even get to logical, it's already showing me what rate it is. So this is 5%, which is equivalent to this. So let's say I want let's say I put I want a true match. I want approximate match, it remains 0.5. Let's say I want exact match, it's going to give me false. So this will not work, and NA, this is not available. So let's go back and change this to 1. Okay, so this is showing 5%, right? Then I'm going to do 5% for everything. No, so immediately it gets to here, it's going to, this is 2018, so it's going to look at this. This is in 2018 January, right? This is also in January 2018. It's going to bring this. Now this is still, then cross check this. This is June 2018, and this is January 1 2018, so it's still 2018. It's going to give me 5% because this is closer to this than 2019. So in 2019 it's going to do the same and give me the rate for 2019. Then in June again, give me the rate for 2019, and then on that way. So by the time you multiply this, let's say this multiply by this, right? So this give you your cost escalation, but you will need to put plus 1, right? So to make it 100%, let's put this in brackets. Let's put this in brackets, right? Okay, so this will be this multiplied by 1 plus whatever rate that we have here, right? So we have this cost escalation and we have this. Okay, so again we need to fix this to be, we want this to be absolute reference. We don't want that to move, and this is going to give us what this. So automatically this works fine. So that is how you use formula box, and that is how you use approximate match. So formula box, again, once you type in your formula, don't forget, try this 2, 3, 4 times. Once you click, then VLOOKUP, then Control A, then follow this lookup value. This will tell you about that particular lookup value, what you are looking for. It's going to describe it for you. And before you get to the end of your formula, you know if it is fine or not. So I want this, okay. Then I want column 2. It's already giving you what you need to do, and this column is going to explain what this is all about. This is going to explain what this is all about, and by the time you get this, so by the time you see your result, if it's fine or not, you will know. False, not no result, then this true result. So that is how you simply work with formula box. So that aside, you can type this equally straight. Let's say VLOOKUP. Then what am I looking for? What am I searching for? This value. Where am I searching for this value? Here. Then I want you to extend to this table because I need something here. Then absolute reference. I want to fix this. I don't want this to move whenever I move to another table. Then I want you to give me column index number, so which is going to be what? 2. Then I want you to give me an approximate match, which is going to be 1. Then I'm done. Thank you. Then that gives me 5%. Then spread this here, automatically this will calculate. So that is how you work with VLOOKUP using formula box and then approximate match. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.